Making AI movies is painful. Multiple tools, endless regenerations, credits you burn through. If you've tried it, you know. OpenArt Director changes all that. I made a short story in my last two YouTube videos that involved a Triceratops family and a T Rex trying to prey on the baby. Since Director was just released, I thought it would be a great opportunity and a great test to recreate the storyline in both of those videos in one sitting using Director. Here's the story: four characters, a T Rex, a Triceratops mom, dad, and their baby. We have floodplains and a dense jungle tree line bordering the plains. We have a significant problem because there's a T Rex hiding in the tree line and it threatens the baby, and then the parents have to fight back to protect their family. In my prior two videos, telling the story took me over 60 15-second generations across two parts. I had to use three different tools and over 60,000 OpenArt credits between the two videos. Every scene had to be built in 15-second segments, and every transition between them had to be manually planned and created. Every regeneration cost credits, and when something went wrong, and plenty went wrong, I had to fix it manually. Today I'm going to rebuild this entire story using one tool. Let's dive in and see what Director can do. So here we are inside of OpenArt's Director tool. As you can see, there are a lot of quick start options that cover just about any niche imaginable. So let me show you how I decided to start, because there's a lot of options and the tool was just released, so I'm learning as I go. I wanted to use my pre-existing OpenArt characters in the story, so I looked at microdrama, and sure enough, we have our import character here, and notice that we've got a ton of characters here. Now, originally, it was just this T Rex, baby T, mom T, and dad T. And when I did this, apparently it duplicated a lot of these characters. But I decided to set this as a thriller, and then I explained the story. Now, I won't bore you with the whole write up, but I'll give you a real quick version of it. So, you have a family of Triceratops grazing, and you have a T Rex hunting the baby Triceratops from a dense tree line watching, and the parents and the baby doesn't know the T-Rex is there. So it's the classic story of the baby wanders off and the T-Rex makes a move, and then the parents have to come to the rescue. So I write the story in detail in the description, and then we move to the next step. So here's the story that Director built based on our story description. It added our characters for the T-Rex and each member of the Trike family. It created the setting and the conflict. Director takes all of this and turns it into a full movie with multiple scenes. I provided the character models and the descriptions, and Director carries those through every scene. That's the big difference from generating one-off clips. One prompt, consistent characters. Now, the first result wasn't perfect. Let me show you what I mean. Director will ask you what resolution you want and what length you want for your video. Now let's go take a look at what we get. So the vast majority of that video worked out as the story intended. There are, of course, issues in some of the scenes, because whenever we do a multi-scene video, you always have issues where there's morphing or something. So this is another aspect where Director really stands out. So now I can literally just use an @ sign and say, select the scene from the list and say, look, there's morphing in this scene, and then the AI will address the morphing by making changes to the prompt, ask for your permission to regen. You say yes, and then you get a whole new video segment, which it will then stitch together with the rest of them in a new 90-second video with the change in it. So here's what the new scene looks like that it generated. Well, the first few seconds of that video segment would definitely have to be cut out, but the rest of that video is actually usable. And we could take parts of both of those scenes that were generated and make one usable scene out of it, which is what we typically do. Now, a lot of creators will just cut the bad parts out of the videos that they generate and only show you the good parts. But I think that sets viewers up with unreasonable expectations. So I want you to see what we actually deal with. So you can think of director as if you're having a conversation with an editor in the prompt, and you can point out what scene you don't like for whatever reason, and then director will make some changes to the prompt and then regenerate the video. And the whole point of this is it's an iterative process, and as you can see, I went through this repeatedly until I got the scenes that I wanted. We can also go into any scene and literally click recreate, and it will show us the prompt, and it takes us into the text to video panels. Inside of OpenArt, we can choose any model we want. We can change the duration. We have access to the full prompt and our references. So we have a lot of control. One thing that's not really obvious while you're using Director is what the cost of Director's assistance is. So as I scroll through my credit usage history here, you can see the cost of Director's assistance that pops up repeatedly depending on what you're asking it to do. OpenArt also added in a timeline component where it literally puts all of your scenes on a timeline, very similar to what you would see on a timeline in any other video editing software. You can insert, you can move, you can delete, you can insert before or after, you can shift the length of each scene if you want to cut out a certain part of it. So OpenArt has integrated a video editor into the OpenArt product itself, so you don't have to use an external video editor if you don't want to. Once you have the video set up the way you want, you would just export it. Now, if you don't shut off the watermark here, you'll have an OpenArt logo in your video. Then you just go into export video and choose the settings you want and go ahead and click export video and you are done. Did you know that it's been proven if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, your next raise will be higher than the rate of inflation? I read it on the internet, so it must be true. So now that we have our video in its final form, let's take a look at what it looks like. Oh, that had to hurt. Mom showed the T-Rex. If you mess with the family, she's going to put the horn right where the sun don't shine. Ouch. So that's Director. It's not perfect. You saw the morphing, the extra dinosaurs, the scar on the wrong side. AI still does AI things. But going from 3 tools and 60,000 credits to 1 tool and 21,000 credits, that's not a small step. That's a leap. And the tool will only improve from here. I hope you enjoyed today's learning adventure, and I hope to see you around for the next one.